What if everything in your life, emails, tasks, finances, and even workouts, was automated? Imagine waking up every day with everything already taken care of. It sounds like science fiction, but it's reality. AI is already making this happen. Do you want to know how to automate your entire life, step by step? Keep watching, because I'm about to show you exactly how to use AI tools to save hours every day, so you can focus on what truly matters, living your best life. 1. Automate your work. ChatGPT, Notion AI, ClickUp AI. First up, let's talk about automating your work. How many hours do you spend typing emails, managing tasks, or organizing projects? Way too many, right? Enter ChatGPT. This AI tool isn't just for answering questions. It can write your emails, summarize meetings, create reports, and even help brainstorm ideas. Think of it like your personal assistant that's always ready to work, never tired, and never distracted. How much more could you get done if ChatGPT handled your writing for you? Instead of spending time on emails, you can focus on strategy and creativity. Imagine cutting your daily work time in half. ChatGPT makes that possible. Pair ChatGPT with Notion AI or ClickUp AI for total workflow automation. These tools will organize your tasks, prioritize deadlines, and even remind you of what's coming up, so you don't have to think about it. Your schedule will manage itself. Isn't that powerful? Want to make it even better? Use Zapier or Make, formerly Integromat, to connect all your apps and create an invisible system that works for you. Want email attachments saved to Google Drive automatically? Done. Want your meeting notes turned into a task list in ClickUp? Done. You've just created a 24/7 assistant that handles your workflow while you focus on what truly matters. How's that for efficiency? 2. Automate your finances. Clio, Monarch Money, Pluto, Delphia. Next up, finances. Money management can be stressful, but AI is here to make it effortless. Apps like Clio, Monarch Money, and YNAB AI track your spending, create budgets, and analyze your spending habits. They act as your personal accountants, helping you save and make smarter decisions without you lifting a finger. What if I told you these apps could predict your expenses and automatically adjust your budget for you? Sounds pretty cool, right? And it gets better. Use AI-driven investment assistants like Pluto and Delphia to optimize your portfolio. No need to read charts or follow the news. AI makes the investment decisions for you based on real-time data. How much more peace of mind would you have if AI handled your money? No more guesswork, no more stress. Just smart, automated decisions that help you grow your wealth. Even side hustles are a breeze with AI. Use platforms like Shopify Magic or ChatGPT chatbots to automate product sales, customer support, and online ads. Work once and let AI keep the income flowing. Can you feel the freedom yet? 3. Automate your health. Fitbit, Whoop, MyFitnessPal AI. What about your health? What if you had an AI wellness coach that tracks your sleep, plans your diet, and adjusts your workouts automatically? Wearables like Fitbit, Apple Watch, and Oura Ring already use AI to monitor your activity and even predict when you'll feel fatigued. But it doesn't stop there. AI apps like Lumen and Whoop go beyond fitness tracking. They give you personalized health insights. They tell you exactly when to rest, what to eat, and how to optimize your energy levels. No more guesswork, just AI-powered health that makes staying fit and energized effortless. Pair those with MyFitnessPal AI, and now you have an automated health system that tracks your meals, calculates nutrients, and generates shopping lists for your goals. Imagine all of that done automatically. Would you rather waste time planning meals or focus on hitting your fitness goals? Let AI handle your health while you focus on getting stronger. By automating your health, you're not just keeping track of your progress, you're ensuring that every decision you make is backed by the smartest, most accurate data. 4. Automate your learning. ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, Duolingo Max. Let's talk about learning. With AI, learning can be faster and easier. ChatGPT is already your personal tutor. Ask any question, and it gives you a clear, structured answer instantly. Need help studying for an exam? ChatGPT can break down complex concepts and summarize them for you. saving you hours of reading and research. You can also use Perplexity AI or Claude as your personal assistant for academic work, allowing you to access structured insights and research from academic papers in seconds. Language learning? Use Duolingo Max powered by GPT-4. You'll have real conversations with an AI tutor that corrects your grammar and pronunciation as you go. Talk about interactive learning. How much faster could you learn a new language if you had AI correcting your every word? Learning isn't about sitting through hours of lectures anymore. With AI, you get to understand in minutes. AI accelerates your learning by delivering exactly what you need when you need it. 5. Automate your home. Alexa, Google Home, Roomba. What about your home? Smart homes are no longer a luxury. They're the new normal. With Alexa, Google Home, or Home Assistant, AI can manage everything: lights, temperature, locks, security, and even groceries. Imagine this. You say good morning, and your AI system triggers your lights, starts the coffee machine, and plays the news. At night, it locks the doors, adjusts the temperature, and sets the alarm. Want your fridge to reorder food when you're low? Done. Want your Roomba to clean the house while you're at work? Done. AI is your silent partner at home, running your house smoothly so you can focus on living. How great would it feel to have your home think for itself? With AI managing your home, every corner of your living space is optimized, making sure your environment is always working to support your needs. 6. Automate your creativity. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Jasper. Here's where it gets exciting. Creativity. AI can help you create, whether it's drafting ideas, designing concepts, or producing content. ChatGPT helps writers generate drafts, ideas, and even full articles. Midjourney and Ideogram allow designers to create stunning visuals in minutes. If you're into video creation, use Runway ML or Pico Labs to turn scripts into cinematic clips with ease. Entrepreneurs, listen up. Copy.ai and Jasper can help you create marketing content in seconds, while Mixo.io lets you launch a website in minutes. AI doesn't replace your creativity, it amplifies it. How much faster could you turn your ideas into reality if AI helped you create? No more roadblocks, just limitless possibilities. 7. Automate your relationships. Otter.ai, AI chat assistants. Even your relationships can be automated. Yes, you heard that right. Whether it's managing professional connections or staying in touch with friends and family, AI tools can help you maintain meaningful relationships without the stress of remembering every detail. For instance, Otter.ai transcribes and summarizes your meetings or calls, so you'll never miss a key point or forget an important task. It's like having a personal assistant that listens to your conversations and ensures you always have the information you need at your fingertips. On top of that, AI chat assistants can draft messages for you, schedule follow-ups, and even remind you when to check in with people in your network. This makes staying organized and engaged with those around you effortless. But don't worry, this doesn't make your relationships robotic. It just makes them more intentional. Instead of scrambling to remember conversations or missing follow-ups, let AI take care of the details while you focus on quality connections. How many times have you forgotten to follow up with someone? Let AI handle that for you, freeing up more time to focus on building stronger, more meaningful relationships. Let technology support your interactions so you can be more present and intentional in every conversation. By now, you can see how AI can transform your life. But here's the question: what's stopping you from automating your life today? Start with one tool, ChatGPT, Notion AI, or Clio, and see how much time you can free up. Don't wait. AI is here, and it's ready to make your life easier, faster, and more efficient. Go ahead, give it a try, and let me know how it transforms your day. And if you're excited about the future of AI and want to keep learning how to make the most of it, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who need a little extra time in their day, and subscribe for more practical, real-life AI hacks. You won't want to miss what's coming next. To sum up, we've just scratched the surface of what AI can do for you. From automating your work and finances to optimizing your health, creativity, and relationships, AI is here to make your life better, smarter, and more efficient. Start today. and you'll be living the future everyone else is still catching up to. The question is, will you take the leap?